How to enable dark mode on SoundCloud PC. Let's dive in. Launch your SoundCloud account. Now, how can you get dark mode on it? For that, you'll need to get this extension. Open a new tab, then head towards this website, Chrome Web Store. Once you're in this website, here you're gonna find an option. Click on the option of themes. Now at the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in night theme and then search for it. Go ahead and click on this one extension, night theme, dark mode. Click on the option of add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Once you add this extension to your Chrome browser, you can head towards SoundCloud website. Then click on this extension icon. You'll find the night theme option as well. Click on it. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Enable for the option of dark mode. With that, you'll get dark mode in the SoundCloud. If you want to disable it, again click on that icon. So this way you can easily enable dark mode on SoundCloud on PC. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.